Okay, on a snowy night. Hindi ko pa siya.
Hindi natuloy ang ating sip and
Wine and paint.
wine. Yeah,
Yun.
and karaoke. But soon,
Oo,
we
next
have to
time.
try that. Kung not here,
Oo, halika na. Pag maganda na yung weather, kasi very, malakas yung snow. Ano siya? Ano yung irashay mo siya? Body and body. So, pag hindi kami sa body and body.
middle of snow. Ano ba to? Hindi naman siya.
Disabled, wala namang sign.
Wala namang sign eh.
There is no shade. Our favorite store. Yan, yung candles. Yan, yung candles. Oo nga eh. So, paano na siya? Shay, paano na siya? Ayaw, ay! Yung malakas ang snow. Yung galing kami ng Bath and Body Works. Nag-stuck na yung snow. Ay, yung ice na. Ay. Currently stuck. Stuck in the parking lot. Hi, family and friends. So, thank God, nakauwi na ako ng bahay, nakatulog na ako, na bagong gising. Tapos medyo nagsuklay-suklay naman ako ng konti at nag-retouch ng konti para presentable naman ako sa inyo. O, diba? So, thank God. So, nakita niyo yung previous video na inabutan kami ng snowstorm. Actually, initially, ang plano talaga namin ng friend ko, si Shay, yun nga kasi off namin pareho. And syempre dito sa US, ang nursing talaga sobrang, well, our particular job anyway is really stressful. So, pag off, we try to distress. So, matipid naman kami, hindi naman kami talaga yung labas ng labas palagi, ganyan. Siyempre, kailangan din magtipid. Kami naman ni Shay, marunong naman kami humawak ng pera namin. Siyempre, pinagtrabahuhan mo yan eh. So, pag off ka, kailangan mong mag-distress. So, nakakuha kami sa grupo ng discounted price ng isang sip wine, paint, and karaoke. So, we didn't pay the full price, but we got a good discount. So, it's about like 40 to 45 minutes away from home. So, kaya lang, nalaman namin, nung may snowstorm pala, so it's a bad weather. So, I tried to cancel it, but it was too late. Can't cancel it anymore. So, naisip lang naman namin na pera lang naman yan. I mean, kikitain mo pa rin. Like, I think we paid like $17. Pero ang original price nun ata, nasa 30 or 20 something. 25, 29, ganyan. Anyway, so, laging safety first. Siyempre, nung una, parang excited kasi ako noon. Parang kasi I love also to draw, to sketch. Pero hindi ko siya na talaga napapractice o ginagawa. Sobrang busy. Tsaka nung bata-bata pa ako yun, mahilig talaga ako mag-drawing. Si Shay talagang ano niya yon, hobby niya talaga yon, nag-sketch and drawing siya, meron siyang mga pinupost sa Facebook niya, ganyan. Meron siyang album about her mga sketches, drawings, ganyan. Tapos meron pang karaoke, parang additional bonus yun sa event. And she also loves to sing. Ako naman, talagang love to sing. Pero yung singing, hindi naman ako love. Pero I try. So anyway, so change of plan. So instead of going there, so kasi meron din kaming hair treatment na schedule, o di ba? Bongga. 'Yon. Okay ba? Kita ba? 'Yon, may kulay ang hair. So may hair treatment kami. So after hair treatment, we decided to have dinner with our favorite dish, which is Japanese food. So doon sa Japanese restaurant, after we ate dinner, may malapit na Bath and Body Works. So we decided to drop by to buy some stuff kasi sale eh. So it's one of my favorite store and I think Shay also. Yan kasi nga ako lalo yung candles, sobrang favorite ko kasi sobrang bango. Tapos syempre yung mga lotion nila, yung mga spray mist, ganyan, sobrang bango. Na parang gusto ko kasi yung parang bagong ligo lang, ganyan. May mga scent silang ganon. Tapos hindi siya masakit sa ulo ko. Yung may mga pabango kasi na kahit yung mga cologne lang na nakakasakit sa ulo ko, ganyan. Yun, sa kanila so far, talaga na-enjoy ko talaga. At na-enjoy din mga tao sa paligid ko. Nakikisinghot sila sa amoy ng body and bath work fragrance mist spray. Anyway. So yun. So after sa Bath and Works, we found out na sira pala yung wiper ng car ni Shay. So thankfully, meron yung insurance siya, merong roadside assistance. So yun yung isang lesson learned din doon na yung pag may car insurance ka dito sa US, okay yung meron kang roadside assistance for any kind of trouble na unexpected, meron kang help na maasahan. Kasi yung car insurance niya yung nag-arrange for a tow truck for her car. And unlike kung ikaw mismo yun mag-arrange, syempre sobrang hassle siya. Tapos baka mas mahal pa yung babayaran ni Shay. So also, thank God, nandun yung boyfriend ni Shay, si Patrick, na dumating to help us, ganyan. And para samahan si Shay, para pauwi rin, ganyan. On my part naman, nakatawag naman akong Uber. At thank God, even in the bad weather, may available na Uber driver na yun nga, parang I gave him a good review naman and also a little something additional kasi for the effort na to drive in this kind of bad weather. According to him, syempre in-interview ko rin siya na, syempre in English, na sabi ko, bakit buti ka drive kasi ganito klaseng weather? Sabi naman niya kasi nga meron siyang parang hinatid dito sa air na to namin, so might as well nga na mag-pick up pa siya ng isang pasahero na ako nga yun. Ako na yung last na passenger na i-drive niya tonight. Kasi nga, because of the bad weather, gusto na rin niya umuwi. So, lesson learned is, sa pangyayaring ito to be flexible. Sabi nga, isa sa favorite book ko na nabasa is Who Moved My Cheese? Na sobrang talagang ang ganda niya about being flexible nga sa mga circumstances in our lives na hindi lahat ng gusto natin nangyayari. So, kailangan flexible lang para hindi ka ma-stress, ganyan. So, of course, also to see the beautiful side ng pangyayari na kahit napakapangit na niya, pero parang may maganda pa rin naman nangyari. Like, for example, yun nga, yung insurance ni Shay, meron siyang roadside assistance. Tapos, andyan yung boyfriend ni Shay to support her, to advise her. Tapos, merong Uber driver na naghatid sa akin sa bahay, ganyan. Na may money ako, na pambayad sa Uber, yung ganon. Tapos yung, I love snow. Yun nga lang, mahirap lang talaga maglinis. Just parang na-appreciate ko talaga yung matapakan ko yung snow, yung makita ko yung snow falling from the sky. Na-amaze pa rin ako doon. Yun. Tsaka syempre, sa mga storms like this that happens in our life, talagang kapit lang tayo kay Lord. Pray lang, hindi niya tayo papabayaan. At syempre, walang bitawan. Hindi tayo bibitaw kay Lord at hindi tayo bibitaw sa isa't isa. Lalo pa nga, dito matetest during the storms in our lives, who our true friends are. And thankfully, meron naman ako na masasabi kong true friends who value me and who sees my worth. And for that, I'm so thankful for God for them. And first and foremost, of course, our family, na kahit ano mangyari, sila talaga yung andyan dyan na hindi tayo iiwan kahit ano man mangyari. And for me especially, I'm always thankful for my family who are always there for me, who are always praying for me. Ngayon, meron ako i-share sa inyo yung merong sticker sa likod ko na perfect for what happened today. Basahin natin. So, ang sabi niya, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. In this case, in the storm of life. So, yan mga family and friends, mga netizens. I hope may napulot kayo sa akin kahit paano na-inspire ko kayo tonight or this morning, kung ano man time zone meron kayo at this point in time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. God bless you always. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you. God bless you. Bye.
Baby, yeah, we should be closer than friends.